What up, everybody? Welcome to the pretty much daily show. Now, you decided you want to do a YouTube video, but you at a crossroad trying to decide what equipment you need, right? Just for the start. Let's hop into it. So you came to the point where you want to do a YouTube video, right? Congratulations. Now you decide, what do I need to buy to start with, okay? So the main things you actually need, I'm gonna give you my take, will be a camera, audio, and lights, okay? Now I could go through all three of those items, but I'm gonna break it down in different parts in each video, okay? So this first video here, this one, is gonna be about the camera, okay? The second video we're gonna do about the audio, and then the third video is gonna be about the lights, all right? So I keep you posted when those drop as well, but since now we're at this video to talk about cameras, let's hop into it. So you wanna do YouTube and you trying to find the right camera, okay? Well, let me give you three types of cameras that you can use, all right? There's a beginner camera, there's an intermediate camera, and there's the professional camera. Let's say you don't have the budget for a professional camera, so you want to choose between the intermediate or the beginner. Or let's say that you don't have the budget for the intermediate camera, so you need something on the go right now. So let's start with the beginner camera. Now, let me give you a riddle of this beginner camera. What do you use to send text messages? What do you use to send make phone calls? Can you get it out? And what do you use to check your social media 24/7? Exactly, your cell phone. Why do I consider the cell phone a beginner? Well, I mean, you use it every day. When you're in a restaurant, you want to send someone a picture or a video, what you're eating or whatever concert you at, there you go. So, and here's a tip. Before I even decide to buy another professional camera, I started with the cell phone. My friend had a business and he wanted me to do a Q&A video. So when I did the Q&A video, I purchased a wireless mic and I already had the lights, and I used my cell phone and a tripod. So I also didn't want to use my previous professional camera that I had back in the 2000s, early 2000s, but that's another story. But I needed something that I can do it on the go and send it to them, and my cell phone was the key right there, okay? It was great, turned out well. Why I say it turned out well? Because it was practice to me, okay? And if you haven't been in front of the camera, you want to learn to talk and get that camera shy out of you, use your cell phone. It's right there on the go. So just get your little tripod, start talking, get comfortable being in front of the camera, and you good to go right there. Now, I meant to say, if you plan on doing a YouTube video, just doing like live streams, gaming streaming, things like that, there are some good webcams out there. Can't give you a certain brand because I don't know which one to provide you that information, but if there's people out there that's watching this and they're using a webcam to do their web stream, put it in the comment, because I'm trying to invest in one myself too, so in case I gotta do a show, do the computer screen, things like that. But I know I can use my camera, but I do want to purchase a webcam. So, but yeah, get your webcam. But more the story is, use that cell phone, start recording, and just practice being in front of the camera, okay? Now we done got rid of the beginner camera. Let's go into the intermediate camera. Now, what I consider the intermediate camera, okay? What I should have asked you first is, what kind of YouTube video you trying to do? Are you doing a motor vlogging where you're on a motorcycle and you want to record showing your routes when you're riding or sightseeing? If you're doing skydiving, or let's say if you're going to restaurants and you want to show your favorite dish at this restaurant, but you don't want to carry this big camera around, well, I got a solution for you, okay? This is what I consider a intermediate camera, okay? What they call action cameras. This here is a GoPro 9 Hero Black. I purchased this when I first moved to Austin, when I got my motorcycle. I was planning on doing a motor vlogging, but I didn't get heavy deep into it. But I did some shooting with it, some videos with it, and it turned out good. So I just use it for my Instagram reels to see how that works as well. But but there are other brands such as like a DJI or Instant 360. DJI has the Osmo Pocket 2, I think. I wanted to get one of those to see how that works because they are interesting, and I want to just see how that, instead of just taking the GoPro, I just need something that looks like it's already on a mini tripod. But I hear good things about DJI as well. But I have a friend, he has the DJI Live Action. It's kind of like a GoPro. The Live Action, I think the Live Action 2 or 3, but congrats to him. Waiting for him to drop some content. But yeah, this is I consider intermediate. It's small. You can throw it in a little bag or your little backpack. Get your nice tripod. Get your wireless. It can also hook up to a wireless mic. When you do that, you're good to go. So look out. This would be a good camera. So if you're trying to do something where you don't want to break the bank on a professional camera, these would be great right here. So, and people use these as well for podcasts or YouTube videos too. So keep that in mind. All right, last and final camera, the big boy, the professional cameras. Okay, so you're looking for a professional camera, but you're not trying to break the bank. All right, so this here in my hand is the Canon T3i. Sorry, I can't talk. Canon T3i. I bought this back in the early 2000s. I didn't use this for video, basically. I use this for taking pictures and stuff, all right, at the time, because I was really getting into photography. But the camera that I'm using right now to do this video here is the Sony ZV-E10. These damn letters. So many letters. Yeah, so the Sony ZV-E10, it's a 4K camera. What's the big difference between this camera and the Sony camera? Well, this camera only has like a 30-minute recording time. The Sony camera that I'm using right now has an unlimited recording time. And I know Canon has some upgraded cameras now that has a unlimited recording time, but I'm a big fan of Sony cameras, so that's probably because a friend of mine I used to work with a Sony head anyway. But yeah, Sony is good. It's 4K. It also a good budget camera. I did some research on it, so I'll put the link in the description on which one I bought. The one that I purchased with this, it came with a carrying case. It came with like 2 extra batteries. It came with ND filter to go with my kit lens. So it's a pretty good camera. I love it. Like, I love it. It's 4K. This here is 1080p. I mean, people still shoot in 1080p and still looks good. So if you have a 1080p camera and it has an unlimited recording time, you're good to go. So hey, it's all about quality. So don't even worry about it. But anyway, yeah. So the Sony ZV-E10 4K camera is dope. I love it. Can't leave without it. Now, when it comes to cameras, professional cameras, the kit lenses are great. Don't get me wrong. I'm using it right now. But let's say if you want to enhance the quality look, you need to get a good lens. This here is the 50mm with an f1.4 aperture on it. Good lens. The reason I'm not using it now, because the way I was trying to set this camera up, this here would have just got the top of my head instead of the background. So I want to use my kit lens on here. But this is a good lens. There's other lenses out there that's pretty good too. The reason I got this one because I didn't want to break the bank on the great lens. So hopefully it's pretty soon I will update that, upgrade my camera. See, I can't talk. Maybe because I got close to the end of the video and my mouth just blah, 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 blah. You know what I mean? I'm just acting a fool, y'all. But yeah, professional cameras. Canon is good, Sony is good, Nikon is good too. So you could choose either brand. Just like I said, if you're not trying to break the bank, the Sony Sony ZV-E10 is great, okay? So, there you have it. 3 types of cameras for your YouTube video or your visual podcast. Your beginner camera, which it could be your cell phone or the webcam. Your intermediate camera, the GoPro, DJI, Insta360, or the professional camera, Sony, Canon, Nikon. You have it, okay? Hope this video helped you out to get you started with your YouTube video. So if you made it this far, please hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well along with this video, okay? And other than that, thank y'all so much. And if you're new or old, or you've been through my journey, you know what I mean. But hey, y'all stay safe. Hope to see you soon.